Hi, Igoodsgh here and welcome back to today's video. We're doing a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This is the 128GB version. This phone is scarce to come across, so it's always good to watch out for our videos to get dedicated. Now, if you're buying one, first you need to look out for the seal. The seal is to make sure that nobody has broken into the phone and you're getting a brand new device. So when you break out the seal, we now have access inside the box. Inside we have this pamphlet that contains the SIM ejector tool and the manual. We have the phone. We're gonna put this aside. Looks neat. Okay, inside we have the AKG earpiece, and then we have USB Type-C. We also have OTG and then extension for micro charging cable. We also have a fast charger, which is also good. So that's what we find inside the box and nothing else. Let's build this and let's turn on the phone. I still love the design of the Note 9. I think it's one of the best designs. I miss this design of how boxy it feels to hold as well. I love the old design of the Samsung series lineup. So yes, this is just a quick unboxing. Catch you guys in the next one.